Today we're going to make this easy carrot pen craft. It's a cute Easter do-it-yourself gift.
For today's craft, you're going to need some scissors. I am using a pen. You could use a pencil, but then you can't sharpen it, so I do prefer to use a pen for this. And you are going to be using some duct tape. I got orange from the dollar store, so it's going to be a pen that you're okay with duct taping. And then I grabbed a pipe cleaner and I just cut it into thirds. This is quite a bright green, so you could use any color of green. So all I did was take my pipe cleaner, cut it into 3 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3. They're about 1 finger length long each. They can be a little bit longer than that, that's no problem. And then we'll get started. I don't need the lid, so I'm just going to get rid of the lid. Then I'm going to take my duct tape, my orange duct tape, and I want to cut up some strips. Just makes it easier as I'm going. They don't have to be very long, like maybe 2-3 finger spaces long for you, depending on how big your fingers are. So I've got one piece. I'm just turning it over so it doesn't stick to my workspace. I'm going to do that again. And even if it's a little bit longer, that is okay as well. I'm going to do 2 pieces. Can be a little sticky. And I'm going to do 3 pieces. I'm actually going to turn this one over and just stick it up this way. Now my base here is the tape is going to come off nicely. If you're using paper or something like that, you don't want to turn it upside down because it won't come off. Oh boy, here we go. Having a little bit of a problem. There we go. So best to turn it upside down if you can, or just put it to the side. You can even put it to the side of your little tape container like that, just to store it. Like I said, mine's not going to stick to my space, so just be careful. So now that I have my pieces, I'm going to start wrapping. So I am going to start near the tip and take my tape, go fairly close to the tip. Don't worry, we're going to cover the tip after. So I'm going to go fairly close, put my tape down, roll the little side over like this, and then just turn, 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 and roll it, smoothing it out as I go. I'm going to do that again. Whoa, whoopsie-daisies, I just broke that. That's okay. Pushed a little bit too hard. Okay, let's try this again. I'm going to go to the next portion and layer it. Push the little part down. Roll, 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 roll. Covering that up. And then let's see if I can fix this problem I've created. I think we're okay. Looks like I have to cut that little piece off. Now, when I get to here, to the end, I'm going to want to put my pieces of pipe cleaner on here. So before I do, I'm just going to stick that on my hand here. Before I do that, I'm going to take these little pipe cleaners and fold them like a V, like a V, like a V. There we go. And I am going to take one of them and put it down underneath my tape right here. So you can see it's underneath my tape. And then I'm going to stick that on top, roll that little side, and then you can see it's under. And once I've rolled it a little bit, I'm going to take the next one. Put that under the tape. It's helpful if you squish this end, this little end here. Put it down. Roll a little bit more. So I'm rolling a little bit more. And then I'm going to take this end, squish this down again, put it on the last part, and I'm going to roll the rest right over top of that, pushing quite hard on here so that it sticks. So there we go. It's rolled, 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 rolled all around. And the goal then is just to take those and do a little twist. Looks like a carrot top, and then you can just move those around the way you like for them to look at the top. There we go. Now if you happen to see any of the pen underneath, you can either just squish those together or you can add a little bit more orange tape. Then we're going to use any little bits of tape we have left here, and we're going to make it as smooth as possible. And you have this cute carrot. Now, if you can see through and your pen's a little bit darker, you could just go ahead, grab some more tape and keep rolling to make that whatever you cover right at the end. Once again, you can see I'm rolling over this way and then rolling the rest, pushing down as I go, securing it.
And your cute carrot pen is ready to do some writing. If you like this craft, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.